If your auntie came from New York with this super delicious chocolate polori. Exactly, right? And you have an exam the next day? No. Right? The main thing is you need to get something that you like and you are comfortable with. And when you use those things, you know, this is your comfort zone within your studying. So when you go to write an exam, okay, you're accustomed with this pen, you're using this pen, you're accustomed with this setup pen, this eraser, this ruler, you're accustomed with these things on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side of the exam paper, and you have your notes in the middle. You set back up that exactly and perfectly. Exam don'ts. Physical, don't try anything new. Very simple, straightforward. Food, if your auntie came from New York with this super delicious chocolate polori. Exactly, right? And you have an exam the next day? No. Right? Energy drinks. I would not recommend it if you have not tried it. Please, if you are trying these things, please know what it does to your body. So, you don't want to try it tonight and your exam is tomorrow, and let's just say you drink energy drink X and then your heart starts to beat and you can't sleep and you end up falling to sleep 5 o'clock to get up 6 o'clock and you reach late for the exam and you can't focus. Why? Because you drink an energy drink. Why? Because you never tried before. You follow what's going on, right? All-nighters, when? So, one, I would not recommend all-nighters, but two, I recommend that you at least do it once in your life so that you know how it feels. So you know that, okay, I'm feeling extra thirsty, I'm walking slow, my hand's supposed to be here, but it's still going to here, right? You know how it feels, so you know that you will not want to write an exam like that. Do not wait for the night before the exam and all your friends come and say, Rajesh, we need some help in this, we do all night. Yeah, good luck, my boy. You need to know how it feels before so you know that you can't function like that. How to do an all-nighter? With that said, I'll still tell you how to do it. Food, unrefined, you have your provision, you have your peas, you have your study foods, your apple, your snacks, your bananas, your grapes, your baby carrots. You interject all this, so studying goes on here. So you study and then you eat and then you study and you take a power nap and you study and then exercise and you repeat and you study and you food and you keep on doing that.